Hi, do you like tinkering and building things? Do you not have enough space for a workshop? Why not buy a CNC, a factory at your fingertips? Build anything your heart desires. Hi, how's it going? So I built this CNC router a while ago, and I'm having some issues with it. But first let me explain what a CNC router does. A CNC router converts something like this into this. It does that by using machine code to get this CNC to cut out certain shapes. CNCs are generally treated as being amazing and can be used to cut out anything. But that's not always the case. Looking at my machine here, you can see that the drill head seems to wobble back and forth. It means a lot of my designs are cut out wonky. I'm gonna try and repair it, and I thought it might be an interesting watch to see how it goes. So let's just jump in. To the computer! So I built this 3D model in an engineering software, and you can see it pretty much explains itself. So the thing I designed is this, and let's just call it a rider. We'll call it the rider. The whole thing sits on a rail where there's a motor at the end of it that spins a threaded rod. There's a plate in the middle of the rider with a bolt at the back of it. So when the rod rotates, the plate also moves. There's wheels located everywhere on the rider, so hopefully if the rider does move back or forth, the whole thing should stay accurate and not wobble. The rest of the weird shapes here are bolts and making sure pieces fit together after cutting them out, tabs and slots. Back to reality. So here are the cut out pieces, and you can see the hacked out materials where the wheels fit. So the rest of me putting this together took a bit of time and was rather boring. So here are some banging tunes to pass the time. Okay, so the rider's on the rail and it's moving. It's alive, the end. Well, I found another problem with this. It wobbles.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Now the idea I had to try and fix this was if the back plate had wheels pushing out more onto the rail, maybe the wobble could stop. So the idea here is pushing the wheels out of its housing more and forcing the back panel to warp whilst being connected to the front, creating this type of clamping effect. And in true editing fashion, here's the back panel fixed. I used screw heads to push the wheel axles out of their housing and with some epoxy to hold it in place. So here it is, the final thing. No wobbles, and it holds all the weight. Cheers for watching. If you like the video, give it a like and maybe subscribe. I do have another video planned, so click that bell to catch notifications of when that video comes out. I'll catch you next time. Toodaloo!